So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will be showing out how phishing attacks work using termux and more importantly how to stay safe from them. Phishing is one of the most common cyber threats tricking users into revealing sensitive information. So let's dive in. Recently there are many type of attacks which are going on, phishing attacks like those type of attacks which are in Telegram. Okay, so for by Telegram only various many people are getting trapped by some of the phishing attacks and all. Okay, and there are other sections too, by Gmail also or by any other online website anyone can get trapped. So for this video I will explain you how different things work and how to perform a phishing attack, okay, basically, and how to get aware of that. Okay, I will show the whole steps. And recently there was a problem in Telegram, basically a vulnerability which led to different types of attacks and can just make your phone fall in a security problem also. Okay, your phone can also get a bit heated or something like that, okay, by the payload. Okay, now that is I think fixed. Okay, that's a current problem in 2025 in Telegram. Okay, so I just explained you about that. I told you so that you can be aware while using Telegram. Stay aware and stay away from any type of bots and all, and anyone unknown who sent you any type of links, don't click. Okay, so for that first we will go in termux. So our as usual first step is to update the repo. Okay, so we will update it first. So for updating, as usual, we can write apt update and apt upgrade. Okay, so this was our basic command for update and upgrade. So all done. Now we will need one thing, which is git. Okay, so for that install git here. For installing git, the command is here. I showed git is also already installed. So now we will install our main thing, which is our zphisher. Okay, so for that I have given the command and it can take some time. Okay, hopefully it will be under 1 minute or few seconds. Let's see. If you didn't watch my previous videos on termux, then you can just go and watch. Okay, you will get some ideas about regarding termux. Okay, and there is also a playlist on ethical hacking. I am currently done some of the videos on nmap. You can also watch them. Okay, you can get a good idea of how things work. So let's see. Nowadays these types of attacks are common. Okay, so it's done finally. Now let's see if it's there. See, zphisher is there. Okay, so now our first task is to go inside zphisher. So we are here now. Now what we need to do is let's see what is inside this zphisher. Okay, the zphisher.sh, that file is there. Okay, what it is executable or not, but I think it's executable. But let's give this command for making it executable. Okay, it's executable only. So now we can run this by this command. Okay, see, wait, I will clear the screen first, then ls. Our zphisher is there. Then we can give this command, which is here, /zphisher. Okay, .sh. Now after this command, you can see it is already installing Cloudflare. Okay, for hosting our that particular fake portal. For hosting that, we can use Cloudflare or localhost. Okay, accordingly it will be shown in the steps. See, installing required packages already installed, internet status online, checking for updates up to date. Okay, so all these are there. installing local expose. This is also same thing which like Cloudflare only. Okay, now in this video I will explain, I will showcase. See, the list is here. I will use Telegram, okay, and how things work, the bot, how different bots will give you different type of links and you will click and then you will get trapped. Okay, so I will explain in different manner, very easy way. Okay, so you can understand it. Okay, first option I will choose Facebook. Okay, so I press 1, then select an option which is traditional login page. Okay, I am going with 1. Okay, then enter. See, zphisher is there. Select a port forwarding service. So basically it's asking for the port forwarding service. I have told you local expose is there, Cloudflare is there, so I will choose one local host. Okay, as usual. So it's asking for, you want to do you want a custom port? Yes, I want that. Then it's telling enter your custom 4-digit port. Okay, so you can enter any 4-digit port. Okay, so I can choose here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 is there and successfully hosted at this particular IP is there. I am copying this. Okay, so our now the next task is to wait. I will be going in a new session. Okay, so here what I will do, I will clear my script. I will go backward again. I will clear this. Now come to Telegram. Okay, so here the major thing you need to know about this is basically I will use a bot which is this bot father. Okay, this is used for creating bot. What you need to do, go and search for just bot father and it will be here. What you need to do is just go inside and start will be there. After that it will be showing you can control me by sending these commands. First command you can send is /new bot and the new bot will be created. All right, a new bot is there. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, for choosing the name you can give any name. Accordingly I have given InfosecPiyush bot. Okay, good. Now let's choose a username. For username you can give the username accordingly. See, now congrats on your new bot. You will find in at Itna. Okay, if you will click this particular t.me InfosecPiyush bot in the accordingly as per your username it will be different. Okay, and you will get a API. Okay, here down this one is your API. Okay, so it is there, just need to copy it and when you will click on this you will be redirected to your bot and you can click on start to start this particular bot. Okay, another thing is username info. For username info you can go in username info bot for seeing your ID. Okay, ID basically. So now everything is done. What you need to do, come here. I have a script. I have made it using Python. So when I will do ls and this tiger.py is my script here. Okay, so what I will do, I will go inside this tiger.py just to show you a gist how things are there. Okay, so for the bot token you can give the bot token here and the chat ID which I have shown you, you can give it here. Okay, after that this one is a host. Okay, to link basically. For the link I have copied that link, I will paste it here. Okay, so see the link is here. Okay, I have pasted this link and everything is done. Okay, so what I will do, I will just click on Control X and then Y and then enter. Okay, now what is my another task? Next step is to run this. Okay, so for that I will split my screen for better use case and your view purpose. Okay, see I will be here. Okay, see I will not do anything. I will just type here few commands. Python 3 tiger .py. Okay, see the script is sent successfully, and I got a message. See, I will just click on that message, infosec bot, and just you can see this. If I click in this, okay, get it here, if I just click and open this, then see what will happen. Just a login page will come. Okay, now what you need to do is to just go back to your old session. Okay, see the session which I have changed my session. You need to go in your first session of zphisher. Okay, so now here is a Facebook page. It just look like a original one. Okay, so I will give here some number which is my original number, anyone who is logging in. Okay, so now I type a password here. Okay, see, I will click in login. See what will happen. Just after clicking in login, I got the account ID and password here. Okay, as you can see the password and account ID is here. So you can understand how things are working. So hopefully you learned something new. Meet you in next video. Till then, keep learning, and the commands will be there in description. I will give the commands. Okay, and the script I will give it. Okay, Python script. So if you learned something new, please like and subscribe. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.